So just today, Apple announced that they're opening up their SDK for Apple Vision Pro and visionOS to developers so that they can start creating apps for the product. And along with that, they also made a full Xcode simulator of visionOS. So now we can get an even more immersive glimpse at what using Vision Pro is like. But you don't just have to experience it through this video, because today I will be showing you how to set up this simulator on your device. So let's go! But before we do that, we need to get into a few requirements to actually run this simulator. First is that you need an Apple ID. Got one? Cool! Second is that you need a Mac running macOS Ventura 13.4 or later. And also note that this entire process can consume from 10 to 15 gigabytes on your Mac. So if you're really running tight on space, I would suggest cleaning some files up. Okay, now we can actually get into this. Okay, so first you're going to open up your web browser of choice. Mine is Safari. Okay, you're going to search up developer.apple.com. Very simple URL. Okay, go to account, log in. It may ask you to sign an Apple developer agreement, accept it. And once you get to this page, you're going to go to software downloads, view downloads, applications, and Xcode 15 Beta 2. That's what we're looking for. View downloads. It's going to redirect you to this page. Right, you see Xcode 15 Beta 2 again, view details, and iOS 17 Beta 2 will already be selected for you. If you don't plan on installing an iOS 17 Beta 2 simulator, uncheck it. But what we're really looking for here is visionOS Beta 1. Ooh, interesting. Okay, check that, and you'll see that the size is pretty much like 10 gigabytes, which is a lot, so that's why I asked you to clear up space. Okay, Xcode 15 Beta 2 and selected platforms, download. It's going to download 3 files. First is your Xcode 15 Beta 2 XIP file, which is basically just a zip file. Then there's your Apple Vision OS simulator, and then there's a third manifest file, which is like no space at all. So now, once that's done, you'll have your 3 files. So first you're going to open up this Xcode 15 Beta 2 file. Okay, it's going to extract and take a very, very long time, so I suggest you sleep. I suggest you take a good nap while it's extracting. I'm going to go do that right now. Sleep. Sun's looking real nice out today. It's cloudy. Smile. Looks awful. I think the ISO was like really down. That's nice. So, once it's actually done something and you see something like this, yep, you are going to take it, drag it into your applications folder, and it's going to move. God, I have to wait for this too. I don't want to wait. Okay, good. And then you're going to open up your simulator runtime DNG for visionOS 1 beta. Okay, it's going to verify it, which also takes a very long time. Okay, then when it opens, you're going to open up Xcode. Okay. That's going to do its thing. We wait yet again. Okay, then you're going to get this agreement. You're going to click agree, enter your password, and then you get here. Okay, now you're going to go to Window and Devices and Simulators. Now you're going to go to Simulators, click Add, and you'll see Apple Vision Pro. So I'm going to say Apple Vision Pro 1. How about that? Create, and there's your simulator. Okay, you can close out of Xcode, and then in your Spotlight search, you're going to type in simulator. Okay, it's going to open up a new app, and there it is, your simulator. So that's mainly it, and I wish you the best of luck on your Vision Pro simulator adventures. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also comment down below what you thought of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye! You better get off the wall. Good time. Like a lollipop.